Hi everyone, I am Banri Gardia, and today we are going to start we are going to solve the CTF uh, boot to roots by Indian Army CyberQuest 2025. So we have the files so here this is the guideline to solve the notification to solve the CTF. Like first you have to set up the lab. Like if you haven't, you can just open the VMware. And, from here you can open and import the file. That was in download folder. Yeah, this is the one. So here from here you can import the file and uh, configure it according to you. Like I have already done that. Here it is already configured on NAT. If you done, it will be on network like a bridge adapter. So it's your choice. You can change it into NAT, or you can also do it in a bridged in bridged mode. Like from here I'm going to like just enter the password, and yeah, so open the terminal. From here, just like you don't know anything, what is the IP address of that machine, anything. So first you have to check what is the IP address, like what are the devices which is running in my local area network. So you can try the command like arp scan. So from here, like I'm sudo arp scan -l for local net, that I'm scanning here. Password is Kali. Just run that one, and you will get something like 192, 136, and 138. From these two, the actual one is our CTF machine. So if you want to know that, just run the nmap command and yeah, enter that one. Like I have already done it, so it will guide me. Wait a second. So from here, you can see that info operating system Linux. Yeah, running on VMware. So that one is our machine, our target, like our CTF machine, and I have to exploit that one. So our first step is recon. I have done that, like port 22 open and 5000 on HTTP is running. So if you want to access, just open the Firefox or any browser you want, and wait a second. So I'm opening 192.168.138, and yeah, 5000. Yeah, here the port the web page which is hosted on port number 5000, but there is not anything. So I think we have to brute force. For that, you can use the command here's the command, the go buster. So you can use the command go buster and follow the command.txt file, and you can mention the extension you want, like PHP, text, HTML, and sh back. So according to these, it will find the directory or path and give it to you. Like currently I'm doing that one. So just run the command. Here my IP is 138 instead of 136, like 138. Yeah, I'm running that one. Like it will take time, so wait for a second. Yeah, here we got like there is a page named page. So just open the browser, like why it is open two times. Close that one. Yeah, enter like slash page. Yeah, we got an input field, like I am writing here hello, so it is just hello hello. And if I'm writing one, two, it is giving me two. So I think I have to exploit from here. So from our basic command, like we have to like we can paste here the JavaScript query, script tag to check if it is vulnerable of XSS or not. Like I'm doing here, like I'm entering a lot one script. Yeah, you will get something like, yeah, that one is popping up. So here the uh, XSS, reflected XSS is there, but we need something more. So try to get like there is also one vulnerability named SSTI, server side template injection. So try to do that. For that we need a payload, like simple we can do just by entering the, like here, if I write like hello hi, it will give me the parameter like name is equal to hi. And if I change it to 7 into 7, if it will give me like 7 to 7 like 49, then it is confirmed that there is a SSTI vulnerability. And yeah, boom, we get the 49. So we confirm that here is the SSTI vulnerability, like server side template injection. So here we can add advanced payload to get the shell of the server. Here is the correct payload, like name is equal to, and yeah. So copy the payload and paste it here. Like I have already done this. So before pasting or before running, before pressing the enter button, like understand that it is asking, like it is something, it is telling that it is on that port like IP 135 and port number 445. So this is the IP of my attacker machine, like this is the IP of my Kali machine, and it will give the cell access at my port number 444. So to get that cell, we have to listen on port number 4. So I'm using netcat here. Yeah, wait a second, clear the terminal. Yeah, and after that execute the, boom, you will get the cell. Like if you want to check ID, UID, www data, and group ID, who am I, so you will get like www data, pwd directory. So this is the basic cell. If you want the interactive cell, you can use the payload, like that one is the Python script, like Python 3 import. This will give you the interactive cell. I am pasting here. Yeah, here we got the interactive cell from the machine. And if you want to check, like here we have the app.py and the first flag hour and static. So Here we got our first flag. We can use cat and copy paste that one. Copy and paste it here. So boom, we got our first flag, like security breakfast. After that, our motive is to get the second flag. So for that, we need to dig more in this, like dig more in this to get the second flag. Like we have to check is there any important file like cd slash ls. First of all, check is there any what are the users in this. Like after that, I think this is we have to get we have to escalate the privilege. So first of all, use the command like cat slash etc slash password to know how many users in this machine. Like we have root, of course that will be the root, and yeah, we have the leaf, flower, and third one is stem. We also have the stem user. So check for the permissions. Like here I'm executing ls-la, and here we got something like root. Before proceeding here, check for like ls network log. There is a lot of directory, so dig one by one. Like if I'm taking just network log. So if you can go to home, cd home. If you like, you think that you have the access and you can get the flag from these users, so try that once. Like I'm trying cd leaf, and yeah, we get the error that permission denied. So to fix this, I think we need the password or the access of the leaf user. So for that, dig in the machine and check for the unwanted directory. Like I think this is the network logs. This directory is this can be help us. So I'm just open cd network logs, copy and paste. So here we have two files. First is admin.txt, like I'm displaying here. So admin.txt. Yeah, you will see something like hello reader in this pkf file. Register send and password through a media file. It is password protected. Password also transmitted through network. If you're not able to get the network log, or if you're not able to get the this file, like how can I find? So you can check the hint also from the Indian Army notification. Like this is the portal. Here is the routed notification. Like asking a flag is strictly prohibited. Like hint flag to look for any media transferred inside my hide. Yeah, look for any media transferred inside that file might be hiding something using OpenStack. Also listen to how hosts ping each other. So from here, I think this one will helpful for us. So we have the pk file, like again ls, yeah, capture.pcapng file. So import it in your like Kali machine by using just Python server. You can do that. I hope you understand. Like I have already imported. Open it with the help of Vasak. So I'm opening here open folder. So here we have the file pcapng. Wait a second. So yeah, here we have a lot of file. In hint, we got the no, like we knew that we have to find a media file, and from OpenStack we have to extract the data from there. So from that, and we from the hint we already know that the might be hiding something. Agent also listen how host ping each other. So it is talking about the host is pinging each other. So from that the ping is actually work on ICMP protocol. You can use the filter and check for the files. Is there any files like destination ping reply echo ping request, like try to dig more in this, like request stream first not found the selected packet. So like try to analyze and from here we need the file. So go to the statistics, http packet capture, like packet capture, check for is there any file like post get client server. Wait a second. Request sequence. Yeah, means it is pinging to that one. So where is it? Requests. Yeah, like you will. Yeah, see, this is the file container.png. From here you can save and in your machine. Like I have already done it. So I'm opening. Where is it? Yeah, here the file our container.png. So you have to extract the data from here. For that we are using OpenStack. You can simply run OpenStack. Is there? If it is not, you can install simply like I'm doing it. OpenStack. Yeah, it is installed. Open this tool and wait for a second. Yeah, right data. Like I have to extract the data from here. So we have to go to the extract and choose the file and again choose the cover file. Extract the data. So wait a second. Embedded data is corrupt or Q or invalid has been provided Q or not algorithm found which can handle the given stable file. So basically it is asking for it is not showcasing, like it is not displaying the message because it is protected with the password. So we need the password. So for that we have to dig more in the WASAC. So I have already opened that one. Check for any data is there. Yeah, here we got the data, like this is the encoded data, and again here, here, and here. So copy and paste it at in one file like I have already done it. Wait a second, yeah. So wait a second, yeah. These are the encoded data. So copy that one and go to the CyberSafe or any encoded platform. Yeah, you can just go, give it to the chat GPT. It will decode you and give it to the give it to you. And after extracting, you will see something, the text like hidden world under it. Like I have already done, so I'm just copy and pasting here. Password is extract data. So because I have already done it, so it is displaying that already exists. Overwrite and just overwrite. Yeah. So we have the file user credential.txt. Okay, and open that one. From here, downloads user credential.txt, and you will see something like, yeah, we will see the password. And if you dig more, you will see like flower, and this is the password. So you can understand like this is the password for the flower user. So just open the terminal, like from here to flower, ask for password, just paste the, yeah, boom, you will get the cell of the flower user. So go to the cd slash home slash flower. Yeah, now you will see that there is a file named f14 or something. Just cat here, you will get the second flag like flower user password. This is our second flag. Now move to the third flag, our third flag. So for that, we need to dig more. We have to check, is there any something like binary exist in this, like we have to escalate the privilege. So dig more, check for the binary. If I have to we have to reverse engineer that one. So check for, is there any binaries like cd checker file, like go to the cd slash user slash bin. If you'll dig more, you will see files something like, check, like there is a file named final. Is it? Wait. Like that, final. Yeah. Here we have the file named final. So we have check for the permission. Grep final. If you notice that there is a permission of read, write for use root, and read and execute for the stem. So here we are now the user flower. So we can't do that, or we can't do anything. Check for another file. Like here also there is a file like ls wait, web challenge. There is a file named challenge. Wait. Spelling mistake. Okay. Yeah, there is a yeah. The file is existed. So just ls hyphen l to check the permissions and challenge. Yeah, you will see that again it has the stem can read, write, and leaf can read and execute from here. Again we are not leaf or we are not stem, so you have first we have to be a leaf, after that you have to be a stem, after that you will able to get the root access. So from here our main motto is to be a leaf. So check for another files like go back. Bin games includes live index, local. Yeah, there is bin. Check for the handler file like cd handler. Yeah, here we have three files like cat, that one, like copy cat. Oh, it is displaying that permission denied. So just cat like ls, check for the permissions on all the files, ls hyphen l. So here broadcast have only leaf user can see the can read the files, and from here flower can read and the handle can edit the file. So our main motto is to edit the handler.py file. So first check what is the content in this file, like at handler.py, copy and paste. Yeah, like if you will try you get something different. Here I have edited from that handler file. If you will execute that one, you will be able to get the cell of the leaf. Like I have edited, you can do that from, you can ask the ChatGPT or anything AI and get the exact payload. Like I have edited here for my Kali machine on port number 446. So for that, just to get the cell of leaf user, you can use simply netcat. Yeah, listen on port number 446. So you have to execute python 3 hyphen n. Like we have to execute or run the python server so that it will be automatically detected by our netcat, and we will be able to access the cell of the leaf user. So from here like python 3 hyphen m http.server, and on port number 8. If you dig more in this, you will able to understand that how the things is going to work and how the things is working. So like I have, and yeah, here we are able to get the access of the leaf user, like who am leaf, and go for the third flag, cd slash home slash leaf, cd slash home slash leaf. Yeah, so here we have our third flag that, yeah, this is the third flag. We got our third flag, but we have already seen that we have the files like challenges and like challenge file or final file. They have the permission like only leaf can execute that one. So go on there like cd slash user bin uh, like dot slash challenge. Check what is happening. Like nothing. Simple enter hello number. Yeah. So here you can understand like first it is asked for, like it is asking for the username. After that it is asking for the password. So I don't know what is the password. So for that we have to check for the like check the binary file, like we have the challenge file. We have to check for the, is there any method in the binary. Check the file, is there any method to bypass that this one. So open the binary like open the challenge file in the you can use the Ghidra like I'm using Ghidra, right? Yeah, you can use the Ghidra for reverse engineering. So open the Ghidra and import the challenge file in the in your Kali machine, because your Ghidra is running in the Kali machine. Like I have already done it. You can do this by the simple Python server. So like close the tab again. Yeah, wait a second, opening project. Yeah, from here you can open like import file and open the like from here you can import there is a challenge, you can import it and just check for the functions. Like I'm also don't know much about the reverse engineering, so I have used AI like copy paste these all stuff win, and the chat GPT or anything, it will guide you how to bypass. So I have done it and got the Python script. Like I'm closing here. Like yeah. Copy and paste. This is the Python file. Copy and paste there. And like I have already pasted here. Wait. Yeah. Like I have already pasted here in my slash pem cd slash pem ls. There is a file. Oh, it is deleted. So again, copy and paste. You can use the command like cat and file name just py and login.py in the end of the file. So copy and paste. Check, yeah. Here our exploit.py file. So go to the directory slash user slash bin and execute this one. Like I'm executing here. Python 3 exploit.py. Oh, I have to give the complete path. Yeah. From here, you will get the access like ID. Check for who am I. Like I'm STEM. From here, I'm STEM. Check if I'm able to get the access or not. Like cd slash home slash STEM ls. Here we got our flag 4. So cat copy and paste. Yeah, here we have our flag 4. Now we have to get access the root file, like the root user. So to get access of the root user, we have to be like we have to execute the file named like slash file named final, like slash user bin and file. Execute. It is displaying permission tonight. Check for the permission, like which permission in this file. ls-l final. Yeah, here you can see that stem has the permission of executing this one, but I'm not able to execute that one. Unfortunately, I'm not able to get the flag number 5. If you guys, anyone from you will able, like anyone from you is able to get the flag number 4 or get the root access, just let me know in the comments. And bye bye, that's all for this CTF. Thank you.